Hi, welcome to 227 Dewey Avenue in beautiful Fontana, Wisconsin. My name is Margaret Labus. I'm with the Starboard Group of Berkshire Hathaway, and we just listed this 2-bedroom, 1-bath in downtown Fontana. Let's take a look. This 2-bedroom condo is a hidden gem in Fontana. Tucked away on a hill with a view of the lake, this bright and sunny condo is steps to the private heated condo pool and a short walk to beautiful downtown Fontana, which has a coffee shop, farmer's market, dining, and entertainment. This is a first floor unit, no steps, and an end unit. Got a boat? Walk to the Abbey Marina or easy access to the public beach. This unit is sold furnished, so start your vacation today. Second bedroom, it has a great sliding door to rear patio access. There's extra storage in the front closet for all the vacation necessities. This building is pet friendly and you have access to the club room and laundry on site. So thanks for taking the tour with me here at 227 Dewey Avenue. If you have any questions about this property, please feel free to reach out. We're happy to help anytime. If you'd like more information about our market here in Southeast Wisconsin, visit connectwithmargaret.com, where you'll find home tours, neighborhood videos, and tips and tricks to lead your best lake life. Cheers!